Finally, I'm making this video on giving information on basics of plastic canvas sheet. Hey guys, my name is Hema and welcome to my channel Learning Process. So if you're watching this video, it will provide you all the answers to your questions. So let's begin. First question: from where I can get plastic canvas sheet? These kind of sheet may or may not available on local shops. You have to visit shops and show the picture of what you want. They can give you what you want or they may not have it. If they don't have it, you have global online shop which is Amazon. You can search for it and buy the one which you needed. These kind of sheet comes in different shapes and sizes. Different country have different style of sheets. Like in India, I got this thin and A4 flexible sheet, very easy to cut and very fragile at work. Some got sheet that works best with t-shirt yarn. Question 2. What I can use on this sheet? Well, it depends on your sheet. Yarn, ribbon, macram cords, t-shirt yarn. For my sheet, I use yarn, shiny yarn, ribbon or 2M cord. Totally depend on your creativity and what you want to make. Question 3. How to cut sheet? You can use scissor, craft cutters to make cutting, long, straight lines and most diagonal shapings. Small scissors or nail cutters are good for inside cutouts or small items. Cut your project pieces out to look just like graph or count holes as specified in cutting instructions. Here is a quick demo. Question 4. How to start stitching? Make knot or hide thread behind stitches. You can start stitching diagonally or horizontally or vertical depending on your project or pattern. Hold about 1 inch of yarn onto the back side. Make knot or hide it under your stitching pattern. Question 5. How to end? It is also same as how to start stitching. You can continue doing stitching with same color till it reach its end. Once it reach the end of around 2 inches, insert the remaining thread on back of stitching with the help of needle. Question 6. How to join two pieces of sheet together? By stitching pattern, or you can use whip stitch as well that I use for my frame project. Anchor end of yarn in one of the pieces next to where you want to join. Hold the two pieces together and line up the matching holes. Then pass the needle through both holes. Continue along the join. Question 7. How to finish raw edges? Whip stitch is one of the best and only option to finish raw edges. Here is a demo. Question 8. How to hide the messwork? Felt or fabric glue or sew depend on item. For project like fridge magnet or bookmark, I use felt sheet and glue. For project like clutch or bag making, I use fabric and sew it with the help of sewing machine. Let me show you this in full demo. Question 9. How to make it strong for some project? Felt and foam sheet or cardboard, it depends on your project and sheet. For making my Rubik cube, I use foam sheet that makes it really strong. to use it, and I converted it into a box. Question 10. What I can make from these sheets? Totally depend on your imagination. I already made a lot of projects like doormat, clutch, frame, pen holder, Rubik cube, bookmark. There is no end to your imagination and creativity that you can make from plastic canvas sheet. I hope this video answered all your questions. If you have still some questions, comment down. I will reply to that question. And if you really like this, then give it a big thumbs up. And I also make reels on Instagram, so you can also check them out. And if you really like those, then you can also follow me there. And yeah, keep watching and keep loving my channel. Thank you. And